Good morning, students. How are you all? Today, we are going to talk about human values and professional ethics. Professional ethics. Okay. See, human being is more than just a body. He is a coexistence of body and the self I. Okay, and the body. There is an exchange of information between the two. Our body acts according to the suggestions given by our Jivan. Jivan, Jivna. Okay, we can say Jivan. Okay. So once again, human being is more than just a body. He is a coexistence of both the self and the body. There is an exchange of information between the two. Our body acts according to the suggestions given by our Jivan. So we can define human being physical body, physical body, and aliveness. Okay, aliveness, Jivan, or I, or self. Okay, so all the human feelings of happiness, sorrow, excitement, etc. are all experienced by I and the body. By i by i and not the body, not the body. Okay, once again, all the human feelings of happiness, sorrow, excitement, etc., are all experienced by I and not the body. Okay, next. See, if we talk about all human activities, all human activities, first first activities going in the self, going in the self. Okay, it means I. So under this, we can say activities that are only happening in I, that are only happening in I. Thinking, next dreaming, next imagining, analyzing, understanding. Okay, etc. So these are my activities that are in I. Okay, these are my activities that are in I. Okay, second thing is that activities involving both I and the body. Activities involving both I and the body, both I and body. Activities that are happening with the involvement of both I and the body. Activities that are happening with the involvement Movement of both eye and the body, seeing, talking, listening, eating, walking. What? Seeing, talking, listening, eating, and walking. These activities require my active participation. Okay. These activities, okay, require my active participation. Okay. So if we talk about these two things, okay, these activities are not happening by themselves. The entity that is responsible for these activities is I. Okay, once again, activities going in the self, activities going in the self, I mean I, activities that are only happening in I: thinking, dreaming, imagining, analyzing, understanding. Second point, activities involving both I and body, activities that are happening with the involvement of both I and the body: seeing, talking, listening, eating, walking. Okay, so I want to say that these activities are not happening by themselves. Okay, these activities are not happening by themselves. The entity that is responsible for all these activities is I. Okay, next, third, activities going on in the body, going on in the body. Okay, see, activities that are going on only in the body, but with the consent of I. But with the consent of I. Okay, breathing, blood flow, heartbeat, or digesting. Okay, so what? Breathing, blood flow, heartbeat, and digesting. These activities do not require my active participation. What? Breathing, blood flow, heartbeat, and digesting. These activities do not require my active participation. These activities are happening by themselves, but with my consent, I. Okay, don't need to pay particular action on to these activities for them to take place. So all human activities can be put under three categories: activities that are going on in the self, activities that are going on in the body, activities involving both self and the body. Okay, so if we talk about needs, activities, and type. Okay, we have discussed activities. Now we have discussed needs. Needs are in terms of time, and needs are I, trust, respect, happiness, it means sukh. Okay, but if we talk about body, food, clothing, physical activities, it means suvidha. Okay, in terms of quantity, needs are qualitative. Okay, and if they talk about body, quantitative. Okay, once again, if we talk about needs are in terms of time, needs are I, trust, respect, happiness. Okay, sukh. If we talk about body, food, clothing, physical activities, I mean suvidha. So in terms of quantity, needs are qualitative. Okay, no quantity. Okay, and quantitative, limited in quantity in body. In body, quantitative, okay, limited in quantity, okay. And if we talk about type, okay, in I, knowing, assuming, recognizing, fulfilling, okay, etc. And if we talk about body, recognizing, fulfilling, okay, etc. So it was all about human values and professional ethics, okay. I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.